Hello everybody, Average Gamer here. I just want to do a quick little video. So some people asked me a lot about my investment video, about how I invest and or how I pick out stocks and why do I do this. Simple answer is why I do this. It's simple. It's for retirement. I don't want to work when I go over 60. I want to sit on my ass all day and not do a damn thing and just get money. And to do that, I've got to play the stock market and get some investments and get my dividends going and and have all that done. In conjunction with that, obviously, how do I pick a stock? Well, I pick a stock by three reasons. Short-term moneymaker, a middle-ranged, low-risk, basically a 5-year stock, then a long-term retirement stock, as I call them. And we're going to start with the retirement stocks and why I picked those. So, what I classify as a retirement stock is something like PG here. PG, just a stock that constantly goes up and up and up and up and up over the last 10 years. Good return. It's sitting at, right now, 2.4% return. Well, actually, we'll say 2.3, just to be on the other side of the rounding up here. So it's good for long-term stuff. Yeah, you don't make that much money. I would make about 25 cents a stock. With the conversion rates and all that stuff. Right now they're paying... Oh, wait, no. I'd actually make more than that. I make $1 a stock, actually. Because they pay 74 cents. So, with them making 74 cents a stock, I'm making $1 Canadian a stock. Which is pretty good. So, the more stock... If I had 1,000 stocks, I'd be making $1,000. For the moment. Don't have that much money. 1,000 stocks is $126,000. So... I don't have that kind of money. But maybe down the road I will. Plan is just to buy one a month if I can. If I have an extra bit of money lying around. In regards to all my other stocks when they pay out. I want to buy one P&G stock and then everyone else gets picked from that. After 12 months, I'll own 12. I'll be making $12 off of 12 stocks, theoretically. The amount will go up, the amount will go down, depending on what the value is of the stock. But this is a good retirement stock. It doesn't pay high, but it will go up over time. And long term, it'll be good to go. So that's something that, to me, is good for the long term. Medium term is a stock for me that really doesn't change prices all that much. It has an average price. It's okay. It kind of goes up, kind of goes down. That's this company here. They go up a little bit, down a little bit, but overall they've been averaging, I think it's $12.90, $12.80, and it pays a good return of 8.3%, which I think is actually out of date. They actually pay $8.57 now. So that website actually needs to be updated. But, this is a good stock to put some money in and earn in the next 5 years. Put that money back into other stocks like P&G, for example, or even a short-term investment that I only want to invest in the next 1 year that has a really, really high rate of return, which is American Hotel Income. They pay 12.3%, which is actually wrong. They're actually paying 12.4 now. They just did an announcement last week and upped it. But these guys are paying really high dividend. Do I want to keep them long-term? Hell no. They started at $10.68 10 years ago, and they're now at just over $6. No way. Ain't happening. Yeah, you'll make me money over the long term. Right now, short term, yeah. The next year or two, I'll keep them. Make a lot of money off of the dividends. Throw a lot of extra money at them. That I have. So buy one P&G stock and the rest goes into this, for example. Or one P&G, two SRT, and then one of this HOT stock. Or American Hotel. Purchase this, make some money, and then throw it into my other ones is what I'm probably going to end up doing. Keeping it long term, probably not. The company, I don't know, with all what I've read, it's definitely one of those, it's very volatile stock. It could spike back up to $10. It could drop down to $2 for all I know. You never know. Some people say it's should be worth around 10 to $12, but for some reason it just isn't. Other people say it's going to go down over the next couple of years even more. You don't know. You don't know. There it is over the last month, 6 months. But this is over the last year. It is all over the place. It's basically sat at the mid 60s mark if you average it out with these massive peaks. But then there's these little valleys here where it's gone down to $6.40. Now, that's only a 40-cent drop from now. So, I mean, yeah, that's not that bad. But at the same time, you never know. You never know. So if we were to hold it for a year or 3 years, there's what we're looking at. Say we're sitting up here now. Say this is the $6 mark. It might be down to $4. So let's say we're going down $3. So it might be down to $3.87 by, actually no, it was down 6 to 10. So it's 4 cents. Almost half. So yeah, we'll say about $3.50, $3.75 is what we're probably looking at in 3 years. So not a good long-term investment, but short-term, not bad. Even looks like it's been kind of leveling out a little bit. So there you go. So that's our short-term investments. And basically that's what I do. I use the short-term to plug in the mid-term and long-term, and I'm going to sneeze. Holy cramoly. And there we go. Yeah. So that's how I pick my stocks and why I pick my stocks. If you guys want to see more, yeah, leave more comments, send me messages, etc., etc. I'd be happy to share information. I'm never going to show you guys my portfolio, unless I can somehow blot out the numbers I make. But other than that, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.